Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you are driving or being driven, you will relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, automatic park assist 2, and automatic transmission. AutoWeek comments, the CT6 responds with a noticeable lack of body roll and reflexes that remind us of its smaller sibling, the ATS Coupe. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today